Okay, so we got on the rickshaw, but I think we're slightly too big for these hills, so we're helping him push it. Hey. This is hard work. Namaste. It's quite funny, we've got a queue of traffic behind us. It's just some hills. Well, I think we're pushing it all the way there. Okay, hopefully that's the top. Okay, back on. Okay, she's just coming. Hello, my friend. Namaste. How are you?
Hello. Where are you from?
I'm from the UK. Yeah, you from Nepal? Nice to meet you, my friend. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Thank you very much. I think we've pretty much pushed it halfway.
Yeah, exactly.
Ah, coffee, that's what we need. I tell you what though, he must be a fit guy. There we go, that's more like it, it's a bit more downhill. Oh wow, look at the views across the city.